Are you a small business owner, a home office warrior, or a creative professional constantly battling with expensive print shops or struggling to get your marketing materials looking truly professional? If you've ever wished you could produce stunning, large format prints right from your desk, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into a game changer, the HP OfficeJet 7612 wide format all-in-one printer with wireless and mobile printing, G1X85A. This isn't just another printer, it's your new marketing department, design studio, and administrative assistant, all rolled into one powerful, sleek package. Let's talk about what truly sets the HP OfficeJet 7612 apart, its incredible wide format capabilities and professional print quality. Forget being limited to standard letter size. With this machine, you can produce vibrant, professional quality color prints ranging from a compact 3 by 5 inches all the way up to an impressive 13 by 19 inches. Imagine crafting your own borderless flyers, eye-catching brochures, or even small posters that truly pop, right from your office. We're talking about marketing materials that dry fast, resist smudging, and are designed to last for decades, giving your business a polished, high-end look without the high-end price tag of outsourcing. Plus, with individual ink cartridges, you only replace the colors you use, making your printing remarkably affordable and efficient. This is the best wide-format printer for businesses looking to make a big impact on a budget. But this HP OfficeJet 7612 is more than just a printing powerhouse, it's an all-in-one efficiency expert. It's designed to simplify your tasks and handle high-volume jobs with the legendary dependability HP is known for. Need to scan large documents or blueprints? No problem. This surprisingly compact HP all-in-one allows you to scan documents up to 11 by 17 inches in a single pass. That's right, no more piecing together multiple scans. Copy, scan, and fax with ease, all managed through intuitive controls that make operation a breeze. The generous 250-sheet paper tray means you spend less time reloading and more time being productive. For a top office printer in 2025, this level of multifunctionality and robust design is exactly what you need to streamline your workflow. In today's hyper-connected world, flexibility is non-negotiable, and the HP OfficeJet 7612 delivers. This printer makes it incredibly easy to connect and print, whether you're sitting at your desk or miles away. You can connect it seamlessly to your office network, either wirelessly or via Ethernet, allowing multiple PCs to share its capabilities. And for those on the go, HP ePrint is a game changer. Print directly from your smartphone or tablet from virtually anywhere. Forgot to print that crucial report before you left for your meeting? Just send it to your HP OfficeJet 7612 from your phone, and it'll be waiting for you when you get back. It's also HP Instant Ink or Amazon replenishment ready, ensuring you never run out of ink when you need it most. This truly makes it a best wireless printer solution for modern businesses. So, who is the HP OfficeJet 7612 wide format all-in-one printer, G1X85A, for? It's for anyone who demands professional results, needs wide format capabilities, values efficiency, and requires seamless connectivity in their workspace. This printer transforms your ability to create, market, and manage your documents with unparalleled ease and quality. If you're looking for a comprehensive HP OfficeJet 7612 review that highlights real-world value, this printer truly stands out. If you're ready to elevate your professional output, save time, and gain ultimate flexibility, then the HP OfficeJet 7612 is an investment that will pay dividends. You can find the best current pricing and more detailed specifications by checking out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more expert tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest gadgets and gear. Thanks for watching.